guys. Hi guys. Today I'm doing a crackle cup. It's going to be this black wine glass. It's going to have the white over the top. It's really simple to do. All you do is put your white glue on. It's Elmer's glue. And I'm using white acrylic paint. This is Waverly, but you can also use the one from Walmart. I'm going to put my music on because I can't be without it. You always have those commercials on the monetized apps, but it's just really quick. So you just get glue all over your cup. You can use any kind of brush, foam brush, this regular bristle brush, any kind you have in stock. And you don't want it super thick. You just want it to go on evenly, and you don't want it to dry on you out, or you don't want it to be so thick that it pools and dries and makes like puddles of wet. So once I get this on, I'm going to do a coat of acrylic paint, and I am going to heat it with the heat gun, and that's what makes it crackle. And since this cup is black, it will have the crackle part that you see through is going to be black, which is what I'm looking for. Excuse my dogs, they're barking outside. Okay, that's ready. Oops. I guess I should have put this on something. I'm gonna do my paint. Ugh. And always have a little rag so you can wipe your hands with, because you are gonna get, or if you're wearing gloves, it's almost better. So I'm just gonna pour a little paint in my cup. Now this is old. I'm not sure if it even still is wet. If it's not, I'll use my other paint. Now I've never used this one before. I just like the color, so I'm going to try it. I hope it crackles on me. Now at this point, if you have glitter or something you can add into your white, you can do that now. And I am working on a cardboard surface because I don't want to get it all over me, all over my self-curing mat. Now I'm doing the white coat. You just put a thin coat of white layer. Now how you get this on there is what it's going to look like. It's just going to have the crackle area. So make sure that if you want it to be super smooth, and I mean if you want it to be like not showing a lot of color underneath, only on the crackler, make sure you fill it in accordingly. Okay, so that's ready to go. It's all covered. I'm just going to make sure my edge is, usually what I do on these is I take a little line, I leave a little line of silver at the top, just because I like the way that looks. You don't have to. If you're going to cover all the way to the top, make sure that your paint is coming all the way. And make sure you don't have any areas that look globby. So I'm going to get my heat gun. This is my heat gun. See the crackle? You don't want to get too close because you can burn it. I nicked that with my, I'm going to try to fix this little spot right here. Be careful not to get too close. Right here I got really close and it bubbled up a little, so I'm just going over it with some paint. You don't want it bubbling. It's the Elmer's glue underneath that'll bubble. You can, after it's done, you can go back and fix your spot. So that's all I'm going to do to it. You see the crackle on it? And that's all you have to do is do the Elmer's glue, the white paint, or whatever color. You can do a light color blue or light color yellow, and then do that. And that's all. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll do you can do your water slides right away. I mean, not your water slides. You can do decals right away. Or if you want to do water slides, you do a coat of clear epoxy, because water slide needs to be on a really shiny surface in order for it to not show the edges. So that's all you do. It's really simple and it come out really looking cute. Thanks for watching.